The multi-purpose tool that comes with the Pfaff sewing machines is pretty amazing. It's got 3 uses that we've already done videos on. Number 1, if you need to sew a button on that needs a little shank of thread, meaning you need to leave a little gap so when you button it to another piece of fabric, there's room for that second piece. You would set the button over the top of it, stitch it, and now you'll have a little gap between it. And you can have a small gap or you can have a larger gap. Next, you notice there's a little hole on one end, and this is perfect for coming up the needle, loosening your needle screw, and having the multi-purpose tool catch it. Also for reinserting it, if your hands don't fit in here, just drop the needle into the hole. You notice that it's kind of a D-shaped, and that will keep the flat side facing towards the back, so it doesn't spin around in there and make it difficult to put it into the machine. It keeps it nice and even. Tighten it up and it's ready to go. And the third use for this tool is when you want to go up and over denim seams. If you've ever kind of gotten hung up when you go over a really thick area, this will actually level out the foot. You work with it underneath the foot so the back of the foot isn't stuck on the mountain as it's trying to climb up the really thick part. And then vice versa, when it comes down off of it, it doesn't just drop off. It can actually stitch evenly, and you have nice even stitches no matter if you're going up the mountain or down the mountain for a perfectly professional looking stitch on all layers as you're going over them. So the multi-purpose tool does live up to its name, and I'm so thankful that it comes with this machine.